Are you in lockdown? Here are 14 ideas to help you work in your home efficiently.
1. Clean your home and workspace regularly. 2. Tidy your home and workspace as often as possible. 3. Set up a permanent working area with equipment and stationery. 4. Make your working area as nice as possible, light, with a view if you can. 5. Have one or more projects and write down an objective. 6. Do something on your projects every day, however small. 7. Look for ways to improve the efficiency and look of your home. 8. Use home delivery for as many products as possible. 9. Give yourself some psychological sunshine each day, please yourself. 10. Use your old traveling time for relaxation and planning. 11. Shave and groom yourself even at home, so you can look in the mirror. 12. Create a home uniform that is simple and smart, get changed in the morning. 13. Try standing up while you are working for exercise. 14. Take your working time seriously and ask others around you to also.
Feel free to post any questions you have about online business in the comments section below. If you find our content helpful, please engage with us.
Yes. You can subscribe, ask for notifications, like videos, and even share them with friends.
You can also ask questions in the comments section.
Thanks for watching.